Time in nature allows a man to disconnect from technology, steps away from the demands of the work and social media, and engage the present moment. This detox from technology not only prevents burnout but also enhances one's ability to be mindful and focused on real world interactions. The simple act of being outdoor without the pull of digital device offers a sense of freedom and rejuvenation that is hard to find indoors. Taking on the challenges in the outdoor, whether it's climbing a mountain, completing a long distance run, or simply conquering a difficult trail, can provide a powerful sense of accomplishment. The physical and mental challenges presented by outdoor activities build resilience, enhance self-esteem, and fosters confidence. Overcoming obstacles in nature is a tangible reminder that a man is capable of achieving goals, boosting his sense of self-worth and happiness in this process. In nature, there are fewer distractions and external pressures. The beauty of the outdoor with its sounds, sights, and smell invites mindfulness. Men who engage in outdoor activities can practice being present in the moment, whether they are observing the subtle movement of the wildlife, appreciating the changing colors of the sky, or focusing on the rhythm of their breath while hiking